Good day friends, and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of the cleaning service industry, so let's get started. A cleaning service is a professional service that offers assistance in maintaining cleanliness and tidiness in residential, commercial, or industrial spaces. The primary goal of a cleaning service is to provide a thorough and efficient cleaning solution to individuals or businesses who may not have the time, resources, or expertise to handle the task themselves. Cleaning services typically offer a range of services such as sweeping, mopping, vacuuming, dusting, sanitizing surfaces, and organizing spaces. They may also provide additional services like carpet cleaning, window washing, or deep cleaning on a periodic basis. By hiring a cleaning service, individuals and businesses can ensure that their spaces are consistently clean, presentable, and conducive to a healthy and productive environment. Cleaning services employ trained and experienced professionals who have the knowledge and tools to tackle various cleaning tasks efficiently. They follow established cleaning protocols and use appropriate cleaning products and equipment to achieve optimal results. Many cleaning services offer flexible scheduling options, allowing clients to choose the frequency and timing of cleaning visits based on their specific needs. Whether it's a one-time deep cleaning session or regular maintenance cleanings, a cleaning service can save individuals and businesses valuable time and effort while ensuring a clean and organized space. Starting a cleaning service business requires careful planning and execution. Here are some steps to get started. Research and planning. Begin by conducting market research to understand the demand for cleaning services in your target area. Identify your target market, such as residential or commercial clients, and determine the types of services you want to offer. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, target audience, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. Legal considerations. Register your cleaning service business and obtain the necessary licenses and permits required in your area. Consult with a legal professional to ensure compliance with local regulations and to determine the appropriate business structure, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, or limited liability company, LLC. Define your services. Determine the range of services you will offer, such as regular cleaning, deep cleaning, carpet cleaning, or specialized services for specific industries. Decide on pricing for each service and establish clear packages or rates for your clients to choose from. Procure equipment and supplies. Invest in the necessary cleaning equipment and supplies to carry out your services efficiently. This may include vacuum cleaners, mops, brooms, cleaning agents, safety equipment, and uniforms for your staff. Research suppliers to find reliable sources for quality products at competitive prices. Build a team. Determine whether you will run the business solo or hire employees. If you plan to hire staff, develop a hiring process, including conducting interviews and background checks. Ensure that your team members receive proper training in cleaning techniques, safety procedures, and customer service. Provide excellent service. Deliver exceptional cleaning services to your clients. Focus on quality, reliability, and professionalism to build a positive reputation. Encourage client feedback and address any concerns promptly to ensure customer satisfaction and loyalty. Remember, starting a cleaning service business requires hard work, dedication, and attention to detail. By following these steps and providing excellent service, you can establish a successful cleaning service business. That is all for today's video. If you enjoy this content, consider giving us a like as well as hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.